I'm here at Data City Center, and tonight I'm going to be a guest at this great event. It's a musical launch of two very talented singers, and they are launching their videos. And Garage, which means come home, and I'm your sunshine. So I'm going to go inside now to watch this great launch, and I hope you like it. So come with me and let's watch it together.
Tonight's musical journey, which begins with a very melodious song, Ghar Aaja, and ends with another very melodious song, I'm Your Sunshine. It's a pleasure to welcome each one of you here tonight on this musical journey, and I extend a very warm welcome, a special welcome and thanks, and the whole team of Spectrum 7 TV. Moving on to the much-awaited segment of the evening, the videos. Now, the video that we present before you first is for the song Ghar Aaja. I would take this opportunity to introduce the team of Ghar Aaja first. Ladies and gentlemen, the producer and the singer herself, Ms. Jayanti Suresh. Ms. Jayanti Suresh is a banker by profession, but a passionate singer. She's a classically trained singer and has performed in various live shows in UAE, across UAE and India as well. She has dabbled with theatre, has done voiceovers for radios, has done presentations on TVs, and is just passionate about singing that apart from being a full-time professional banker, she devotes as much time as available on her plate for her singing. The song, Ghar Aaja, has been written and composed by Dale Arnie Burke. Mixing and mastering of this song and video has been done at Sajjad Ali Studios. The video has been choreographed by Nisha Dance Center. Having an eye to capture amazing shots is the job of the cinematographer. In this case, for this video, it was Al Amil. So is it for the other video that we'll present before you, I'm Your Sunshine. The editor of this video is Mark Stanley. Safina Amir added beauty to the already very good-looking couple that you'll see on screen after a while. The overall shooting coordination has been handled by Mushroom Media, Mir Imran Hussain. Ghar Aaja features Nisha Shivnani and Imran Khan. Nisha, ladies and gentlemen, is a very proficient, very graceful dancer. She runs Nisha Dance Center and has had the privilege to dance with many Bollywood celebrities. She is undoubtedly a very graceful dancer herself, proficient in belly dancing, hip-hop, jazz, contemporary, Bollywood, etc., etc., etc. Imran Khan is not amongst us tonight because he's on his job. Imran started modeling for print ads at a very young age. He started off for Etisalat as his first client in print media, and now he's flying with the reputed UAE Airlines, modeling and acting still being his first love. Here, I would like to mention two very important people who are the common links and very critical and crucial to both the videos. A designer, par excellence, that is Amreen. And she's been very courteous and very supportive throughout for both the videos, but has also sponsored the costumes for the entire cast of Ghar Aaja, as well as I'm Your Sunshine. Thank you so much. The label by Amreen is one of the topmost leading fashion houses in Dubai, a name to reckon with. Thank you, Amreen. Thanks once again. And the other very important link, the crucial link, is the story scriptwriter and director of both the videos. That is Mir Imran Hussain. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the video launch of Ghar Aaja. Sit back and enjoy.
चंदा ओ चंदा बोलो उनसे, तुम ही कुछ रोलो, घर आजा आजा साजना। लाखों बहाए तारे तेरी, मेरी आँखों ने तू क्यों रुलाए साजना। बिनती करूंगी लगी दिल की बुझा जा, कुछ भी हो चाहे जो भी अब के तू ना जा। चंदा ओ चंदा बोलो उनसे, तुम ही कुछ रोलो, घर आजा आजा साजना। लाखों बहाए तारे तेरी, मेरी आँखों ने तू क्यों रुलाए साजना। काहे सताए, क्यों मुस्कुराए, क्या गा रहा है देखो दिल बावला। तुमसे छुपाए कुछ न बताए, कब से न जाने है ये उतावला। बिनती करूंगी लगी दिल की बुझा जा, कुछ भी हो चाहे जो भी अब के तू ना जा। चंदा ओ चंदा बोलो उनसे, तुम ही कुछ रोलो, घर आजा आजा साजना। लाखों बहाए तारे तेरी, मेरी आँखों ने तू क्यों रुलाए साजना। मन में न जाने कितने सुहाने हमने सजाए थे वो सपने हजार, कि ये कहेंगे और वो करेंगे, जाने न देंगे तुम्हें फिर इस बार। बिनती करूंगी लगी दिल की बुझा जा, कुछ भी हो चाहे जो भी अब के तू ना जा। चंदा ओ चंदा बोलो उनसे, तुम ही कुछ रोलो, घर आजा आजा साजना। लाखों बहाए तारे तेरी, मेरी आँखों ने तू क्यों रुलाए साजना।
That was the video launch of Ghar Aaja, and I'm sure everybody enjoyed it as much as I did, because not only the lyrics, the singing, the music part of it, but also all the sequences, the scenes have gelled so well with the lyrics. And Imran not only takes care of the picturization of the songs or the project he takes in his hands. Now next we have another gem with us, that is I Am Your Sunshine. I would like to say a few things about the singer and the cast. This song has been written, composed, and sung by Jaya Bhargavi ji. She's a seasoned vocalist with a voice that exudes from her heart. This song is her debut as the lyricist. She has been singing for more than a decade and a half. She has performed with various renowned names as Anu Kapoor, Jaspinder Narula, and many more from Indian film industry. She was one of the top contestants of Sare Gama Pa, a very prestigious reality musical show, and Pakistan Challenge 2007. She initially took formal training from Ustad Amjad Ali Khan of Kirana Gharana, then Mr. Jogiraj Sikkadir, also from Kirana Gharana, and then she has trained with Mr. Sajjad Ali for her vocal grooming. She has performed on various radio channels, can sing in 10 different Indian languages, can mold her voice as the need be in terms of emotion or the music of the song. She has recently recorded 2 songs for upcoming Tamil films, has done a title song for an opera Malayalam TV serial. She has also given some foot tapping, club and pop songs. Moving on to the cast. On the screen you will see Miss Michelle Rego and Jayesh. Michelle is born and brought up in Mangalore, loves dancing, acting, and facing the camera in whatever form, be it print, be it video. She has done a few modeling assignments, photo shoots, Malayalam music video as well apart from this, and a short film which is about to be released. Jayesh, whom you'll soon see in this video with Michelle, is born and brought up in Dubai. Professionally, he is working as a procurement officer for an advertising company and is a passionate actor, dancer, model, and he loves theater. So we have Michelle and Jayesh on screen and Bhargavi at her best in singing. I'm your sunshine, ladies and gentlemen.
हमसे यूं खफा खफा न बैठे रहो, दुरूरू लड़ झगड़ के गुस्सा अपना ठंडा करो, ठंडी ठंडी आहियों न भरते रहो, दुरूरू हाथ मेरा थाम कर तुम चलते रहो, जितना ही तुम रूठोगे उतना ही मनाएंगे, दबे दबे लबों पे हम मुस्कुराहट लाएंगे, आजमा के देखो तुम सदा के तुमसे मैं ये कहूँ, तेरा तरारा तरारा रे रा, I'm your sunshine, you're my cherry plum, तेरा तरारा तरारा रे रा, भोले से भी बोलो ना ये जाने मन, तेरा तरारा तरारा रे रा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारी तुम मेरे हो सनम, तेरा तरारा तरारा रे रा, अब कभी जुदा न होंगे हम। अजनबी से बन के तुम जो तन्हा राहों में छोड़ कर चले, डगमगी सी ये डगर लगी, आंखें गुमसुम खोए रहे, कैसी मोड़ पर है दोनों खड़े, छोटी बात पर है क्यों लड़ पड़े, ये कैसी बेखुदी है उल्टी सारी दुनिया लगी, पर तुम जो साथ दो तो जिंदगी ये सुलझी लगी, मान कर बाहें थाम लो कि तुमसे मैं ये कहूँ, तेरा तरारा तरारा रे रा रम, I'm your sunshine, you're my cherry plum, तेरा तरारा तरारा रे रा रम, भोले से भी भूलो ना ये जाने मन। अनकही सी बातें हैं फूल प्यार के हैं बागों में खिले, छोड़ो ना ये सारे शिकवे गिले कि कोई दर्द मीठा मीठा दिल में ऐसे जागे, यूं तेरे मेरे दिल के जुड़ गए हैं कच्चे धागे। माफ कर दो हो गई खता कि तुझसे मैं ये कहूँ।
It's been a great pleasure to have you all for my music video launch Kharaja, and that of my co-singer Jaya Bhargavi, who is launching her video too. As regards my video Kharaja, which has been produced by me, story, screenplay, and direction is by Mir Imran Hussain, I had a great team and we enjoyed thoroughly. Throughout the making of Kharaja, right from casting to rehearsals, and until it was completely ready as you all saw it just now. It was also possible because of overall meticulous coordination of Mushroom Media. I love singing and it has been doing so for many years. I'll be soon coming up with more music videos and audio of my own songs. Hence, I seek your good wishes in my endeavor. Hoping that you all enjoyed my song and singing as well. I thank you all once again for being here and be a part of my musical journey. Thank you.
A very, very, very heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you who are there in this hall. And you make this evening much more special because this baby that's I'm Your Sunshine is my debut as a songwriter, which I could never ever dream of. And ditto, so many dittos that I don't want to copy again and say. But I have a whole lot of thank yous to say over here. Especially, first and foremost, the media partner, the television partner, Spectrum 7, for graciously accepting our request and encouraging both the artists and giving us an opportunity to reach global audience through our music. It shows we are truly globalists, you know, and we are really living in Dubai. Very special thank you to the cast. The cast, of course, Michelle Rego, the beautiful girl, and the handsome man, Jayesh Bachwani. When the song had come, I was not really sure how to go about it. And Mir had started music directing. He was into short films and he was into many more projects that time. And this man, Mr. Mir Imran Hussain, who is a quiet, silent, and a person who can drive you crazy with the silence, seriously. A wonderful human being by nature and a visionary, basically. And a special thanks I'd like to mention over here to the crew and to the locations who had given us. It's Amal Raj from Thompson Electronics who has given us, you've seen some dance sequences, some lovely, beautiful, soft-edged pianos. So is Kutubuddin, who's been our driver and a coordinating person. This is to do with the team and the music team, of course. A thank you would be to Studio Unplugged. Now, Studio Unplugged are the guys, if not many people know. If you heard about Bhavya Pandit, they have released Pani Da Rang Vekhe, the launch mix, which has gone really popular and live across the network and about 2 million views and counting. These guys have given me the break in Bollywood album in my initial years of struggle, and they are the part of the mixing and mastering and the sound creation. I'd like to specifically thank my co-producer, Indan Mohan Singh Virdi. It's without your support, I don't think I'll be able to, and my future producer also. Thanks a lot, Prince Sethi. On my special request, you've come. The man, the RJ, the voice behind many beautiful characters. My today's special print partner, Vivek Chonkarji. Thank you so much, sir. Mark Stanley, the editor. The video that you've seen, the beautiful dressing that you've seen, none other than the most gorgeous herself, She's the most cutest person that I've ever met. By Amreen. Amreen Amin, thank you so much for encouraging us and for being a part of our project. A special thanks to Taranum for hosting this event and making it special. Thank you.
It's been a long journey, honestly. Me and Jayanti and Bhargavi, we go a long, long way, about at least easily 3-4 years ago. When I was offered an approach to do this particular music video, it was sometimes in about April or May last year. And it's just been a habit of mine that whatever opportunity comes my way, I grab it. And as an artist and as someone from media, you don't really take much time to think what you want to do. It's the first 2 or 3 minutes where you decide whether you want to do this or not. So me and Jayanti go a long way. I'll start with Ghar Aaja first. We have been in touch, but she was busy with some other projects, so was I. And after speaking on phone for almost more than 1 year, that's when we actually met. And when I heard the song Ghar Aaja, when it was emailed to me, the very first thing I asked Jayanti was, Jayanti, where were you all this while? Because whoever has heard this song, I mean, everybody has excellent reviews. We also had the song sent to some of the producers, some real big-time Hindi producers back in Mumbai. They had the same views. And then when we decided that, yes, we'll shoot this in UAE and then we'll go ahead with the shoot and have the album, then the point came wherein we had to choose the technical team and then the artist. And I'm very precise about selecting 2 guys whenever I have some project. One is the cinematographer and then the editor. And then came casting. We don't have Imran here at the moment because he's hired with Air Arabia. I think he's flying currently, but his father should be anytime soon. And then when we were looking for the female cast, we wanted someone who has a background in dancing. And then again, we went online, searched, and then finally we got Nisha, who did a wonderful job. And then came the best part, that's finding out the locations. Again, thank you so much, Jayanti and Bhargavi, for offering me this project.
हमसे यूं खफा खफा न बैठे रहो, तुरूरु लड़ झगड़ के गुस्सा अपना ठंडा करो, ठंडी ठंडी आहियों न भरते रहो, तुरूरु हाथ मेरा थाम कर तुम चलते रहो, जितना ही तुम रूठोगे उतना ही मनाएंगे, दबे दबे लबों पे हम मुस्कुराहट लाएंगे, आजमा के देखो तुम सदा के तुमसे मैं ये कहूँगा।
Well, I'm here among these talented people after this very exciting evening. So how was this great experience for you today?
I'm very thankful to Spectrum 7, who is launching us globally, and I'm sure that people will like the video as well as the song immensely.
And for you, it's been a special day, a debut day. Tell me about it.
Every time we launch a song, there's definitely nervousness groping, and today it's been very special because I debut, though I've been a singer from a very long time, I debut as a songwriter, and that was an amazing and a magnificent experience to share among all the people that have been here, and especially a big and a very special thank you to Spectrum 7 Television, because truly globally now that we see ourselves being launched, and thank you for being a part of our journey and making us special and this milestone a very special evening.
It's been a pleasure. And tell me, Mir, you're the guy behind the curtains and you've had a lot of work. And how was this great experience and how excited you are?
And thank you to Spectrum 7 who has given us the platform to take this international. So hopefully we have many more videos coming up, and these 2 videos, the songs, the locations, the cast, it's complete, going to really hopefully be liked by people, and we have many more good things coming up.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
तुमसे मैं ये कहूँ, तेरा